Salam everyone, welcome to this Quranic Arabic course where we're only focusing on Quranic Arabic. We're not delving that deep into all the Arabic grammar and rules, and a lot of you have been finding that really helpful, especially if traditional Arabic learning has not helped you understand the Quran. So if you're new to the channel, I do recommend watching the playlist 1 where we do Surah Mu'minun because that covers a lot of basics, and then you can catch up on these videos. And if you're a returning subscriber and you're finding these really helpful, you can actually support the channel by liking and commenting on these videos and sharing them with your friends and family. The more you like and comment, the more YouTube is going to share these videos with others, so you'll actually help spread these lessons, and inshallah you'll help benefit other people. So do engage with us. Thank you and Jazakallah khair.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون. So for them in it there are fruits. ولهم ما يدعون. And what يدعون?
Oh, it's from dua.
And what they wish for? Yeah. What they ask for?
Yeah, exactly. Whatever they call on, like whatever they call to them, yad'un, whatever they call for, or like waiter, okay. That, you know. And then last 1 hour. Okay. Salamun qawlan min Rabbir Rahim. Peace. A word from Rabbir Rahim. From a merciful Lord. From, or the min Rabbir Rahim. It's like from your, well, even though it doesn't say your, but it's like from the kind master, merciful. As in he's sending you greetings. Cool. I think that was a nice verse to end on. All right, good job. And I hope you like this structure as well, where you go phrase by phrase. Yeah. You guys are ready to do that now. This is step 2.
Yay.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون. وامتازوا. So that's a command. On basically on that, so they're told like something, they're commanded today. أيها المجرمون, as you all criminals.
Yeah.
Are they being asked to like stand? What was the verse before?
So the verse before was about the people of Jannah.
Oh, you froze for a second there.
Oh. So, oh yeah, it's saying my internet connection is unstable. So Wamtazu is, I'm thinking it's from Mumtaz, which means excellent, and I think it's sort of like a sarcastic way of saying, oh, you've excelled. But let me just double check with the other translations.
Okay.
It's 59. That's what I remember it as.
Is there such a thing as meta? Is that a word?
Meta means when. So this is like stand apart or get apart or move away. Okay. So it's not from Mumtaz at all. Okay. I'm misreading. So stand apart on this day, ayyuhal mujrimun, or step away or get away, etc. 60.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان. So أعهد, didn't I take a promise from you all, O children of Adam, that you will not worship Shaitan, the devil, or Satan, I guess. إنه لكم عدو مبين. Indeed, he is for you all a clear enemy.
Yeah, good. And ahd from like, well, ahd, which means trust or promise, etc. And next.
أن يعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم أو وأن يعبدوني
Mm.
and that you worship me
Mm.
هذا صراط مستقيم. This is the straight path.
Yeah, so it's linked to the previous one where, like, didn't I take a promise from you that, etc., and that you worship me? Then 62. I'm listening, I'll just get some water.
Okay, first. ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون. And ولقد, so I guess that's like double emphasis there. أضل منكم جبلا. كثيرا, so it's like and certainly.
الضل from ضل and ضلال.
To misguide, but then maybe it's also referring to like the previous where it's like it's saying certainly he misguided from you.
Yeah.
And kathira is like a lot, so maybe like a great deal of you. Like I don't know what jibilan is, but maybe like a big group of you or something.
Exactly. Jibilan kathira, like many groups of you and many multitudes of you.
What other words are from the same words as jibilan? Do you know?
Yeah, I can check, but in the Quran at least, you don't find it that much. I
Okay,
don't think you find it at all apart from this.
from this one.
Yeah. Also, I've noticed that with adjectives, you don't really get that root word thing going on. So it might be that there's nothing for this.
Okay.
Yeah. And أفلم تكونوا تعقلون.
أفلم تكونوا تعقلون. Question. So, were you not, did not takunu to be taqilun, were you not of those who think, or like, did you not think?
Exactly. And then تكونوا, like, how did you know it was past tense?
Because of the lam, because usually lam tends to mean did not.
Yeah. أفلم تكونوا, exactly. And تكونوا is like were. So تعقلون. Okay. So I just checked Jibilla and it doesn't really. I don't think it's a modern Arabic term, so it's not showing up in the
Okay.
dictionary.
No
Okay.
problem.
63.
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون. هذه. So this is Jahannam. This is hell. التي كنتم توعدون. So basically, this is hell, and then it's sort of saying that which you were promised.
Exactly. التي, that, and then توعدون. Good job. 64.
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون. Islow is like that's referring to saying burn basically. So like burn therein
Yeah.
on this day because of what you were like denying
Yeah.
or
Because
like lying about or
you were, yeah, because of what you were denying. Yeah, just you said Islauha, Yasla. Oh yeah, Yasla is probably more common in the Quran. Yasla Sa'ira, which means burn, etc. Then 65.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون. On this day, نختم, we will. It's like seal because it's the same word from like khatam, like when they say khatam and nabiyyin or something. So yeah, on this day we seal, where we will seal ala afwahihim, on like over their mouths. وتكلمنا تكلمنا and will speak. So, and actually ID him. Second. So ID
him.
him
And
as their hands.
hands, yeah.
Yeah, I was just trying to figure out if it's that they're tukalimuna. So I guess their hands will speak to us. I was just trying to figure out why it's in that form though, but
That form?
no, where I was just trying to figure out where the ID him is in like in that form, but yeah, I was just trying to figure out whether it's like the subject of the thing because I thought it was a compliment, but I guess.
And I get because it's plural. So Aid instead of Yad, Yad is one hand.
Mm-hmm.
And then Aid is plural, and then him. So Aidi him, their hands.
Okay.
Yeah. Then
Okay, so their hands will speak to us, and وَتَشْهَدُ أَرْجُلُهُم, and their feet will testify of or about what بما كانوا, what they were يكسبون. So basically their feet will testify about what they earned or what they were earning.
Exactly. Good job.